Struggling to get results online? Let me show you something powerful, because wasting time and money ends today. Most marketers grind for months creating content, building funnels, testing emails, trying to piece together what works. But what if AI could do it for you faster, smarter, and proven to work? That's why I created Results with Kevin AI. It gives you 6 AI Coach tools, everything from creating products and emails to generating traffic and even writing sales pages. Plus, you get access to 20+ real case studies, including a 50,000 in 7 days blueprint. It's like having a marketing team in your pocket without the payroll. And this system comes from someone with skin in the game. Kevin Fahey, an online marketer with years of results and multiple 6-figure case studies. This isn't theory. These are the same strategies he uses to scale. Now, you might be thinking this is going to be expensive, but you'd be wrong. Because here's the sniper shot. You can test drive the whole thing for just $4.95. That's less than your daily coffee yet. It could change your entire online business. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link below. Start your 7-day trial right now. Load up your AI coaches, dive into the case studies, and watch how fast your marketing turns around. No fluff, no hype, just results. Don't waste another week guessing what works. Let AI plus proven strategies guide you. Hit the link, get results with Kevin AI, and let's make your next campaign your best one yet.